Want to make money from online tutoring? The first step is to identify your expertise. Imagine you're a walking, talking library, but instead of dusty old books, you're filled with knowledge on specific subjects. These are the areas you're not just good at but passionate about. This passion is infectious and can inspire your students to love learning just as much as you do. Your expertise can be anything from math to music, coding to cooking. The key is to focus on what you know best and feel most excited about. This is important because you need to be able to explain complex concepts in simple terms. Being an expert doesn't just mean knowing a subject front to back, but also being able to teach it effectively. By focusing on your area of expertise, you're not just another tutor in the sea of educators. You become a beacon of knowledge in your chosen field, attracting students who are eager to learn from you. Your expertise is the foundation of your tutoring career. After identifying your expertise, the next step is to choose a niche. But why is this important? Just imagine a sea of tutors all offering the same broad range of subjects. It's easy to get lost in the crowd, isn't it? But when you narrow your focus to a specific subject or field, you become a beacon. You begin to stand out. You become the go-to person for that particular subject. And that's attractive to students. Specializing not only helps you differentiate yourself from the competition, but it also allows you to delve deeper into your subject matter. It allows you to offer a more detailed, and therefore more valuable service. It's like being a specialist doctor, as opposed to a general practitioner. Both are important, but the specialist often has a deeper understanding of their field, so don't just be another fish in the sea. Be the neon tetra, be the rainbow fish. Choosing a niche can help you stand out from the competition. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to create a professional profile. The digital world is your stage, and your profile is your spotlight. It's your chance to showcase your skills, your passion, and your unique approach to teaching. You see, an impressive profile is like a magnet. It attracts potential students. Consider platforms such as tutoring marketplaces, social media, or even your own personal website as your digital canvas. Each platform offers unique opportunities to highlight your expertise and teaching style. Craft a compelling bio that not only talks about your qualifications, but also your teaching philosophy. Remember to highlight your specializations and the unique value you bring to the table. Include testimonials if you have them. They're like gold in building credibility. Also, don't shy away from showcasing any achievements or awards you've earned. They add an extra layer of trust and appeal to your profile. A professional profile can make you more appealing to potential students. So let your profile do the talking and start attracting your ideal students. Setting competitive rates is crucial in the tutoring business. It's where the rubber meets the road in turning your expertise into income. But how do you set the right price? First, do your homework. Research the rates of other tutors in your niche. This will give you a ballpark figure to work with. Don't just look at one or two, but a wide range to get a fair average. Remember, you're not just selling your time, you're selling your knowledge, experience, and teaching skills. Take these into account when setting your rates. Then, consider offering packages or discounts for multiple sessions. This approach can be a win-win. Students get a better deal, and you get the assurance of multiple sessions. It's a great way to build long-term relationships with your students. Finally, keep in mind that pricing is a balancing act. You don't want to undersell yourself, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the market. Competitive rates can attract more students and increase your earnings. Choosing the right platform for your tutoring services is another important step. There are numerous options out there, each with its unique benefits. On one hand, you have tutoring marketplaces. These platforms bring together tutors and students, making it easier for you to showcase your skills to a large pool of potential learners. They often provide features like scheduling, payment processing, and reviews, which can simplify your operations. On the other hand, you have the option of creating your own website. This gives you more control over your brand, allows you to offer unique services, and potentially leads to higher earnings as you're not sharing your income with a third-party platform. The choice between these options should align with your goals. If you're aiming for a wide reach and convenience, a tutoring marketplace could be the way to go. If you prefer autonomy and brand individuality, consider building your own website. The right platform can help you reach your target audience and achieve your goals. Offering a free consultation can be a game changer. It's a strategic move that can help you stand out in the crowded online tutoring space. You see, a free consultation is not just a generous gesture. It's an opportunity to show potential students your expertise and dedication. During this initial meeting, you can assess your compatibility with the students. This is a two-way street, It's not just about determining if you can cater to their learning needs, but also about understanding if their learning style aligns with your teaching methodology. A consultation is also the perfect time to understand their educational goals, their strengths and weaknesses, and their preferred learning pace. This information can be instrumental in tailoring a learning plan that fits them like a glove. Moreover, a free consultation helps in building trust. It showcases your commitment to their academic success, and that can go a long way in solidifying your relationship with them. A free consultation can attract more students and help you build strong relationships. So why not give it a shot? Technology can significantly enhance your tutoring services. Imagine this: being able to show a complex equation, a historical timeline, or a scientific process in real time, all thanks to video conferencing tools. They allow for face-to-face interaction, making distance irrelevant. Then there are interactive whiteboards, a game changer in online tutoring. They let you write, draw, and illustrate ideas just as you would on a physical board, but with the added benefit of sharing it live and saving it for future reference. But the tech toolbox doesn't stop there. The internet is brimming with resources, from educational websites to digital libraries. These can supplement your lessons, offer practice exercises, or provide additional reading, hence enriching the learning experience. The right technology can transform your online classroom into an engaging, dynamic, and effective learning environment. It's all about enhancing communication, facilitating understanding, and making learning enjoyable. Leveraging technology can make your tutoring services more effective and appealing. Let's dive into the different ways you can promote your tutoring services. Firstly, social media platforms are your friends. They are powerful tools for reaching a wide audience. Use them to share insightful content, updates about your services, and success stories from your students. Next, consider email marketing. A well-crafted, personalized email can make a potential student feel special and valued. And remember, consistency is key in email marketing, so keep communication regular but respectful. Word-of-mouth referrals are an old but gold method of advertising. Encourage your current students to spread the word about your services. A referral from a satisfied student can be more convincing than any advertisement. Lastly, networking is pivotal. Connect with other tutors and education professionals. Their endorsements can help build your credibility. And don't forget to ask for testimonials from your students. They can boost your reputation and help you stand out in the crowded tutoring market. Effective advertising can help you reach more students and increase your income. Creating valuable content can significantly boost your online tutoring business. Let's delve into why that is. Imagine you're a student looking for a tutor. You stumble upon an individual who not only offers tutoring services, but also shares insightful articles, engaging videos, and useful resources related to the subject you're interested in. It's like finding a goldmine of knowledge. This is exactly what creating valuable content can do for your tutoring business. It establishes you as an authority in your subject area, making you more than just a tutor. You become a thought leader, a go-to source of knowledge. And who wouldn't want to learn from an authority? This approach also attracts potential students. It's a showcase of your expertise and your passion for the subject. It's proof that you're not just in it for the money, but you genuinely care about educating others. Valuable content can help you stand out from the competition and build trust with potential students. Continuous improvement is key to success in online tutoring. It's not just about mastering the subject matter, it's about mastering the art of teaching too. The educational landscape is ever-changing, with new methodologies, technologies, and trends emerging all the time. Staying updated with these developments is not just beneficial, it's essential. Consider attending webinars, reading relevant blogs and research papers, or even enrolling in teaching courses. This continual learning can help you deliver lessons more effectively and keep your students engaged. Moreover, don't shy away from feedback. Encourage your students to share their thoughts about your teaching style and approach. Their insights may reveal areas for improvement that you hadn't considered. Constructive criticism is a powerful tool in honing your skills and refining your approach. Remember, the best tutors are those who are always learning, always growing, and always striving to be better. Continuous improvement can help you stay ahead of the competition and provide high-quality tutoring services.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.